Hi children, we are doing another exercise in punctuation and here use of full stop. Use of when you write a sentence, you must end it with a full stop. So look at that carefully. End of the sentence. There should always be a full stop. Beginning cap letter, end of full stop. So the exercise we are doing is the use of full stop at the end of the sentence. Yes? And that is one of the punctuation. It's a very interesting exercise. Look carefully at the end of the sentence. Remember to put the full stop correctly. Good. You're going to enjoy this exercise. It's really very interesting and simple. Look at our first picture. See what we have. Look. Somebody is very happy here. The little boy is very happy. And he's telling everyone, look, my name is Tom. What's he telling everybody? He's shouting aloud. Probably he's gone newly to school and he wants everyone to call him by his name. My name is Tom, he says. Look, at the end we have put a full stop here. Can you see? And that's what we are doing. What is the punctuation we are learning today? Full stop. Learning to put the full stop in the correct place. At the end of the sentence, look at the full stop here. Good. Will you forget? Now, let's take another picture. Look at the picture carefully. Somebody is driving. Who is driving? She says, I am driving my car. This little girl, let's say her name is Mary. What does she say? I am driving my car. Look at the end. Full stop. Begins with the capital letter I, ending with the full stop. And that's what we're doing. Putting full stop at the end of a sentence. Good. Are you enjoying? Let's go on to a new picture. Look at the picture. Have you seen this? It's a musical string instrument. What is the name of this? This is a guitar. What instrument is this? This is a guitar. And at the end, full stop. We are learning to read the sentence and we are being careful. The use of full stop at the end. Yes? Read this again. This is a guitar. Excellent. Let's look at another picture. Look at the picture. Somebody is very happy pecking at the grains. What is this? Chick, baby chick. What is the baby chick pecking at? Pecking at some grains, is hungry. The chick is eating. The chick is eating. The chick is hungry. The chick is eating. In the end, we put a full stop. Read the sentence. The chick is eating. Good. Use a full stop in the sentence. Let's go on to a new picture. See what we have here. A very good girl. She's practicing her lessons. She says, I am reading my book. She's got a homework to do. She got a lesson to read, lesson to study. She says, I am reading my book. Look at the full stop at the end. I capital letter. She says, I am reading my book. It can be a textbook, storybook, any book. Good. So we learned the use of the full stop at the end of the sentence. We are also learning to read the sentence. I am reading my book. Let's look at another picture. Look at this picture. What do you see here? Lovely red rose. What is this? This is a red rose. Picture of a red rose. Begin this T cap letter, ending it with full stop. Yes? Look at the end. You have a full stop. Read the sentence for me. This is a red rose. Good. Let's look at another picture. Yes? Now we know the punctuation, the use of full stop at the end of the sentence. Are you enjoying? Good. Look at this picture. What are they doing? Sharing. They have some food, some nice juice. They said, let us share. We love to share food, says the two friends. The two friends are here, or brother, sister. They say, we love to share food. Begins with the capital letter W, ends with the full stop. Yes, the use of full stop at the end of the sentence. Are you enjoying both reading and the punctuation full stop? Let's look at another picture, children. Look what we have here. Oh, the little ones are all very happy. They're all playing at the park. Yes, let's read. Children play in the park. Do you go to the park to play? Yes. In the evening, ask mommy to take you to the park. Children play in the park. The end of the sentence, there's a full stop. We are learning use of full stop with the sentence. Read the sentence for me. Children play in the park. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. The little girl, she's washing her hands thoroughly. Must wash your hands often. Wash your hands often. She's telling us. Wash your hands often with soap and water. You got the full stop at the end? What are we learning here in this? We are learning punctuation. Remember to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. We are also learning to read the sentence. Read with me. Wash your hands often. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Shall we? Look what we have. What is this? Watch. Where do you wear this watch? On your wrist. So what do you call this? Wristwatch. Yes. Why do you want watch? What does it tell you? It tells you time. Good. What is this? This is a wristwatch. This is a wristwatch. Look at the end of the sentence we have a full stop. Begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. Today we learned punctuation, full stop, use of full stop at the end of a sentence. Read. This is a wristwatch. Good.